what I just realized about relationships? A guy starts off by putting 100% in the beginning.
So this video recently went viral, and of course, the comments are flooded by men confirming the arguments, but the whole video confuses me. See, in the original video, I thought the woman was talking about the slow decline of effort that happens in committed relationships. And that has been my experience in every single relationship. Once you've committed to a man, once you're living with him or you're married to him, their investment in your relationship starts to slow down. I'm talking about planning dates and nice thoughtful gestures, spending meaningful time and having meaningful conversation. All the things needed to build emotional intimacy. And during this time, you're still having sex. You're still taking care of all of his domestic needs. You're cooking, cleaning, doing laundry. But they would rather stay in and watch TV or play online poker. And eventually they contribute less to not only fostering the emotional intimacy of the relationship, but to the tasks required to run the household. In my experience, 10% feels pretty accurate. And this is what I thought the video was about. This is what resonated with me. But in the stitch, Emily references dating relationships. She says, if a man does this, it's because he wants to know that you like him. Why is he going to continue to invest in someone if he doesn't know that you like him? And yes, when you're in a dating relationship, you do need to validate that their efforts are appreciated so that they know you like them. But I thought we were talking about committed relationships. Like, haven't you already proven that? So I thought, okay, maybe I misinterpreted the video, right? Like maybe it's just about the early stages of dating. So I posted this comment. If it's genuinely about not getting efforts matched, he should just leave. So why isn't he? You're not overly invested. You should just leave. Everyone should if the relationship isn't giving them the reciprocity that they're looking for. But the men responded with comments that pertain to committed relationships. Because we hope it'll change because we love you. We don't leave when things get tough. Likely because he's still willing to work on the relationship. Because you take my kids and house. So these guys are legit talking about committed long-term relationship. They're not disputing that they stopped investing. And they're admitting to just hanging on to see if she will change because they don't want to split the house. Wait a minute, she changed? So she stopped giving you sex and cooking your dinner. Well, the only reason a woman stops taking care of you is because you stopped investing in the relationship. I can guarantee there was a long while where she was asking you to invest more, just as the original video stated. And you either didn't or you would for a bit, but then you stop again. So the argument of it's not reciprocated is bullshit. I know I tried to plan dates when my partner wouldn't, but he acted like they were a chore. I got him thoughtful gifts on his birthday and Christmas, even when his gifts demonstrated no effort, if he got me a gift at all. And I praised the bare minimum that he did offer, because we're told to praise a man when he does something that you like. But I've learned that this only applies to healed men. The truth is, emotionally unhealed men only view women as shiny objects. So they put on a show at the beginning so that they can win their new toy. But once they bought the toy, they don't think they need to do anything else. So she's still servicing you physically and domestically because that's what she's told to do by society. But over time, she realizes that she has needs too. So she starts asking for them. So when you don't meet them and you stop trying, she naturally stops giving you your wants and needs. That's the natural consequence to a lack of effort. Just like this guy says, she falls for the trying version of man. The pulling back is seeing if the relationship will work when he's not trying. So in other words, he wants to see the bare minimum effort he needs to provide in order for her to stick around. And then they complain when she doesn't.